Yo, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to talk about Merch by Amazon title, okay? How to structure your title on Merch by Amazon. Alright guys, so example time right here, and we're in the back end of Amazon, and as you can see, I'm incognito mode. Whoopee. So example was a funny elephant, right? So we're gonna use funny elephant shirt. Okay, you can see that like it's already auto populating for us right here too. I know that in the title on the back end of Merch by Amazon, when you're uploading, it says not to use the product shirt or t-shirt, anything related to the product in there. But I've been testing this out over and over and over, and it makes sense because the exact phrase is like it ranks you better if you have that in your title, and there's no other way around it because it's the way the algorithm works on Amazon. Okay, this is what I've tested and what I've seen. Okay, this is the thing. It's very important that you understand that, and I know a lot of people are like, no, I'm not gonna do that because it's telling me not to. It's in a way, it's like just the way it works. Okay, so example. This is example. So this is example of what I'm looking like. Funny elephant shirt, right? I'm gonna press search. As you can see, there's so these are just, and you can see where's the merch shirts and which ones are not the merch shirts, right? As you can see, like look at this one, funny elephant shirt. You can see how the title is in here. Every single, now this is different. Like the things are different, the keywords are different in different niches. So you got to understand this on your own. Okay, it's very important that you can be in a whole different niche. Like if this applies to you right here watching this video, if this applies to you in your niche, you want to go into your niche and research the top keywords in your niche and that search volume. The most important thing is to understand the search volume for those exact long tail keywords. If you can understand that, it will make a difference in your sales volume over time. Of course, there's a couple things that plays a role in this too as well. You have to have a good design. If this is not going to work for everybody, I've tested it with some of the most horrible designs that I have, okay? And I get traffic and they still make sales because like it's just ranked over time, right? It's the design has ranked over time, and people just it just ranked over time, and Amazon knows like it's a consistent seller because at one time there was no competition in that niche, and it's a consistent seller, and it's a horrible design but it still makes sales, right? So yeah, so this is what I mean right here. So funny elephant shirt. This is an example right here, and you can see like how like this exact phrase is right here in this title, right? Not all of them are going to be the same, but if you have funny in your title, for the most part, it's going to pop up. So you can funny elephant, like I just want you guys to understand this. This is funny elephant t-shirt, but as you can see how this is right here. Elephant lover t-shirt, funny t-shirt. Like the way the algorithm works, like you want to feed it the right keywords. You feed it the keywords. You feed the algorithm the keywords that it's looking for. It's going to drive traffic to your listing. Okay, it's going to drive traffic to your listing. So let's go over here. Okay, so we're in the back end where you come over here. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on right here with my back end of my dashboard. You can see that also too, the sales are barely picking up again. We're in the little the napping after the New Year's and Christmas holidays, and the sales are barely starting to trim back up again for me. Look at also too, it's saying text not found. I'm not sure exactly what's going on right here. This is, I don't know, I'm not even sure. Maybe I have an ad blocker that's blocking this. I'm not sure. I uninstalled pretty much the Chrome extensions that I thought were messing up what's going on with this, but I'm not sure exactly. So like I said, in this video, we're only going to pay attention to the title. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So in this example, we're using funny elephant shirt, right? And it says not to put that, right? And that's what it would say right here, this little text not found, right? this right here, funny elephant shirt, and then of course going back to you want to do your own keyword research, because the keyword research is very important. Okay, so after that right there, so when you plug in, you find out so this is one long tail keyword, right? And the very important that you understand that you kind of want to combine 2 long tail keywords in the title, because you kind of get double the traffic. So if the exact phrase, let's come back over here, incognito mode. And one of the best ways to figure out what the heck is going on in this niche, funny elephant shirt. And it all depends on your design too as well. Like, it can have a saying. So for example, like you're looking at this one right here, and I'm sorry if this is your shirt, I'm gonna pick it apart a little bit. Keep on picking on this shirt right here. As you see, just a girl who loves elephants, right? So what I would do right here, so funny elephant shirt, and then after this right here, right? So after this right here, you can see, so what we're gonna do is come in here, if this phrase, so funny elephant shirt, right? So funny elephant shirt, and just, I'm not sure, you can also, too, you guys want to make sure these, you want to check for trademarks or anything like that, because you don't want to come in here and basically upload, and all of a sudden you can see that it's trademarked, or you know what I mean? You don't want to do none of that stuff, because then you can get a rejection, of course. If that phrase is actually popping up, there you go, on Amazon, that's a sign too as well. So I want you to understand, so just a girl who loves elephants, if it fits in the title, right? Gift. I like to kind of put gift at the end. But if this fits right here, this long tail keyword, if it fits in here, this is something that's something that I would do, because the goal is, so this is one long tail keyword, right? And this is another long tail keyword. Now, you want to maximize the characters in here as much as possible, but direct it towards the design, because you don't want, in a way, you don't want to put too much of a general keywords in there, because you're going to kind of direct the customer in the wrong way, or direct the algorithm in the wrong way, and you don't want to mislead them, because misleading them on a listing is basically going to hurt your ranking long term, because Amazon sees like the customer keeps clicking on this product and they don't want it, and that's gonna hurt, right? So yeah, if the characters fit in there, of course, I always like to put gift at the end, because it ranks. And then this, of course, in this video too as well, guys, we're focusing on t-shirt, right? I know there's other products in here too as well, but this applies. I honestly feel like when you put t-shirt, okay, funny elephant shirt, right? When you put shirt, this is it goes for standard t-shirt, premium t-shirt, v-neck, and tank top. These other products are kind of more of their own individual, like a hoodie. Now, like, let's say if you make a sale, like, okay, let's say you make a sale and it's a winning design on a t-shirt, right? And you want to go back and upload it. So what you're going to do, okay, is go ahead and re-upload it to that product. So let's say you want to put on a hoodie. The same thing goes for the hoodie too as well. Let's come back over here. The same thing applies to the hoodie as well. So for example, let's type, see if it start. Let's see it's auto populating for me. So we type in hoodie, right? And the same thing applies to this as well. So when you type in that, it's popping up. It says pullover hoodie, but like there's a lot. You don't want to, like I said, you want to test this out for your niche. But for the most part, like having I'm telling you, the exact phrase, the exact saying, you want to have those together in your title, okay? And if you can get 2 of those exact matches, the exact phrases in your title, it's going to help you rank. You can get double the traffic too as well, okay? This is very important. It's very, very important that you guys understand this, because it's going to, like I said, it's going to help you get more traffic and just more search, like the search volume is going to go to more to your product, you know what I mean? So it's very important, very, very, very important. Yeah, hopefully that right there, that's kind of like you have a better understanding right here for this. And now let's kind of like let's do some whiteboard, let's do the whiteboard. So this is exactly what I mean. So right here, keyword, right? Excuse my writing. So this is a keyword. Keyword plus keyword, right? Okay. Boom, boom. And then shirt, right? Boom, shirt. So keyword plus keyword shirt, right? So that's what we did. So funny elephant shirt, right? Okay. This is the title. This is the title. Okay. Now let's say you have, and this is we'll say this is, where the heck is it? Oh God. Back. This is bullet point 1, bullet point 2. Now let's say you don't have the exact phrase, right? Okay. You have funny down here in bullet point 1, right? Oh God. Let's do a little small. And you have it down here in bullet point 1. You have keyword down here, right? You have the keyword down here. Okay. And this is not here no more, guys. That's not there. It's just keyword shirt, right? Now what you're doing with the algorithm on Amazon is you're basically making it work more. So when you make the algorithm work more, it's going to take longer to find those exact phrase keywords to make that sell. So if the customer is looking for your product, it's looking all over the place for your product and it can't find it, right? And it can't find, the reason being is because you didn't do your keywords correctly, right? You have, let me go back. You have keyword, the first keyword 1 down here. Exactly like I said, we had keyword 1. Okay, never mind, cancel that. We have keyword 1 down, it's right here. It's already down here, right? And basically what you're doing, the algorithm is like trying to figure out, okay, where the heck is that keyword? Where's the keyword? Is it over here? Is it down here in the description? Is it down there? Is it down here? Like, is it down here? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to grab this keyword and I'm going to bring it back up here, right? Because I finally found it after 4 months of looking for it. And I finally found it. Cool, I finally found it, right? And now I know that this customer is looking for this product with this keyword. And now, after 3 months of trying to search through the whole algorithm, looking through all these products, I finally found the keyword. The algorithm finally found the keyword, right? To put it up here so your product can make more sales, right? So basically, after all this is done and all that stuff, and because you don't have your correct keywords and you didn't take the time to understand it, this is what you're making the algorithm do. And sorry for the messy stuff all over the screen, but basically that's what you did, right? And that's not a good thing. It's not a good thing because it's taking longer. First of all, it's taking longer for you to get your first sale for that product, right? And then you're making the algorithm work more. And then by that time, you come back and look at your Merch by Amazon account, you check back 4 months later, you have your first sale, right? And you're just like, man, I give up. Like, this is it, because I don't understand it. I thought I got a really good design, and now it's like, it sucks because I cannot come back. I basically I failed and I give up because it's like, I have a good design, and I thought I put really good keywords that you thought, but you don't understand the algorithm, how it works and how customers search for items on Amazon to purchase a product. You need to understand how customers on merch, or how customers on Amazon.com, .ca, .uk, how they look for products on Amazon and how they make a purchase. Okay, if you understand how the customer searches for a product and buys a product on Amazon, that's going to help you out. Going to help you drive more sales to your products and make more sales. Okay, hopefully this video has helped. The link to my other videos up here, or more of my videos, check them out about Merch by Amazon, and this should actually help you grow. Hopefully this is a good example for you to understand it. And yeah, peace out, guys. My name is RJ Martinez. Thank you for watching. Peace.